All right, Mel, so I'm rebuilding the oscillator circuit for your trim. And I've cleared out these eyelets from the old solder. And I've uncovered, I think I mentioned yesterday, this 1 meg resistor was tack soldered in. And the prior tech didn't bother removing the other end of what was there. So I did that. It'll be back to the proper factory spec. And then this guy here is tack soldered in as well. Underneath, oh, got it. Focus, buddy. Focus, baby. What are we doing? Underneath that little solder blob there, in the center of the shot, is a broken joint. Let me just show you. It's just sitting there. So I'm going to go ahead and correct that, and I will update you later. The parts should be arriving tomorrow, so we're going to see some nice progress updates soon. Bye. All right, Mel. So I've completed the electrolytic cap job on the main board. You can see the new caps here. I removed all the fragmented bits of the 2 former 1 meg resistors that the guy tack soldered in, and have some proper ones here. And then in order to increase the intensity, I've replaced the oscillator caps here. And that's just one of the measures we're going to take as well. This guy tests good, so we're going to leave him there. These are fine, even though they're 400 volts. You'll see between 270 to 290 volts here at this position. So they're overrated for the roll, so I'm totally comfortable with these guys being here. I'll be addressing the bias board next. And just kudos to the tech for just taking a page out of the old Sun book, right? When's the last time you've seen leads laced up like this? I love that he did that. It looks like he's modified the bias circuit just a little bit. Pardon me. Looks like he's modified the bias circuit there. That's fine. We're going to see where these new tubes, when they arrive, where they stack up, and then we'll make some adjustments accordingly. And I'm going to rebuild this board here. I wish I knew who this prior tech was. He's just added another bit of string here, or cord there, just to tie those together. I just really appreciate his work, whoever this guy is. This is old school stuff, and he did a beautiful job with this lead dress. I really love it. Look how thoughtful that was. Love it.